Struggling with a stubborn Wi-Fi issue on your Windows 10 laptop can be incredibly frustrating, especially when your connection drops at the worst possible moments. But don't worry, there's a reliable, permanent solution that can restore your wireless connectivity for good. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, effective steps designed to address common Wi-Fi problems on Windows 10 laptops, ensuring you can browse, stream, and work online without interruptions. Let's get started and solve your Wi-Fi woes once and for all.
Let's run the DSM tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help pages opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Let's reset your network settings to fix any connection issues. Right-click on the Start button and click Settings. In the left panel, choose Network and Internet. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Now click Reset Now and confirm when prompted. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. Your PC will restart automatically. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi once it's back on.
Let's run the system file checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, sfc/scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.